Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you an easy way how you can replace your faulty or broken laptop screen yourself. In this case, this is a HP laptop 15.6 inch screen. Now I'm just gonna power up the laptop so you can see. Now if you look here, I'm not too sure what happened, but my son broke it, and it's been sitting around in the house for maybe more than 2 months. And over the weekend I was speaking to my cousin because he's in IT, and I remembered and I mentioned it, and he said, oh, it's something that he used to do and it can be easily be done. So I took on the challenge, and to be honest, you don't need much specialist tools to do this. So firstly, I'm gonna power this back down, and I'm gonna remove the bezel or the framing. I've already done it already. It's nice and easy. Let me see if I can get this, turn it the other way. I had to do it because I need the part number for the screen. So basically what I did was to use this little thin ruler and just pull it right around the edge to release the clips, and that's what I did. The only issue I have is that to the bottom, I'll turn this back around, just down here, it appears like it was glued, or I'm not too sure if that's how it's supposed to be, and I am unable to take this out, but I was able to remove the 4 screws that hold the screen. Okay, so basically this is the screen, and the screws, it had 4 screws, one here, one to the other side. Let me see if I can get this. So 1 screw here, 1 on this side, and then to the bottom right and left. And I was able to remove the screws with this screwdriver, small screwdriver. Because I needed the part number, I had to do it previously. I have the screw in this little plastic bag here, and in order to get the part number, basically the part number is at the back. I'm not too sure I can, oh yeah, so the part number is here. So the reason why I did this previously is because there was a lot of confusion when I went online, put in HP laptop 15.6 inch, and there's all sorts of screens coming up, and just to make sure that I purchase the correct one, I removed the screws to look at the part number. This aside, I've purchased the screen on eBay, but before I did, so before I purchased this screen on eBay, what I did was to ask send the seller a message just to find out if this was the correct screen, or this screen will work for this laptop. So basically I took a photo of the part number at the back that I was showing you earlier, and send the photo and just ask the question. They confirmed that this will work. So then what I did was just to purchase it, and it arrived actually very quickly as well. This is the screen. This is the new screen. What I would say, if you have a similar problem, make sure that when you're looking online, the screens or the screen you're buying is brand new, because when I was looking as well, there was a lot of refurbished screen. This one I paid £58 something for it on eBay. The connection from the laptop itself to the screen is just at the back here. Not too sure if and it's held on by a plasticky thing. So I'm gonna pull this away. Okay, so this is the old screen. I've now removed the old screen from the computer itself, and I can put this aside. This is a new screen, just gonna take it out of the plastic. Next task, let me have a quick look at something. Okay, is to connect back the screen to the laptop itself. Let me see, I want to, so you can see this, what I'm doing. I think I have reconnected the screen to the laptop, but before I do anything, I'm just gonna turn it around, power the laptop and see if it comes on properly. I'm gonna power the laptop back on. I can hear it, wow, I can hear it power up, and if you look here you can see the time, the date and everything. So it is that simple. So I know that it is working now, or the laptop is working. I can even see the Wi-Fi, everything come up, and this screen actually looks even sharper than the previous one. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna turn this back. I need to remove this plastic bit from the screen itself. So I'm gonna take it off first, because the framing or the bezel will cover this. I don't want to have to deal with this after, so I'm gonna take this off now at this point, and then I'm gonna put back the screws. I'm gonna screw it first. Just gonna line up the screws. That's look okay. I've managed to put all the screws in place, so I'm just going to tighten them now. Don't know that I'm happy with that. The screen is at its rightful position. If this is your first time watching my channel, any videos on my channel, please remember to subscribe. Leave a comment as well, and give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate that a lot. Just tightening these screws. The bottom ones are a bit fiddly because I was unable to remove this bezel completely. I think this one is still spinning. Just want to make sure that it's fully tightened. Okay, happy with that. Now what I need to do now is to put back the bezel, make sure that it's nice and firm. I'm going to start from the bottom and then work my way around. Okay, this looks like it's back together as it should be. I'm just gonna turn the laptop on now and everything should work perfectly. Let's see, give it a few seconds for it to come up. I can see that something is happening, right? That's the HP screen, so that's a good sign. Coming up, yeah, nice blue screen as you can see. As you can see, this is the old screen that I've removed, which I'm just going to throw it in the bin. Laptop appears to be working fine. I'm now on YouTube. There you go. these are some of my videos there, the scrolling through. So just to recap, if you ever, you know, have a broken or faulty laptop screen, it's not rocket science. If I do it, you can do it. You just need to make sure that if you want to do it yourself, you purchase the correct screen. The best thing to do is maybe to remove the screen from the casing itself and get the product code or the item code, that which would normally at the back. Maybe take a photo, send it to the seller just to find out, make sure that it is compatible with the laptop, and then you take it from there. And it's as simple as that. So if you like my video, please, I need some subscribers. Please subscribe, leave a comment to introduce yourself, and also give me a thumbs up. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.